What's going on? What's up, man? Hopefully y'all been doing good. I'm back. Hey, first of all, thank you for the messages. Y'all know we had a fire in our house. Our dryer caught on fire. One of the scariest things ever. So the messages, man, I appreciate it. You know, I've been spreading the word on things that you can, people have been asking me, how did it happen? How did that fire happen? And, just trying to spread the word so it doesn't happen to you. One thing I'll say really quickly, by the way, the market has rebounded a lot. I'm going to go over that. It's crazy, but make sure you clean your dryer, all the lint, get it out all the time, no matter how monotonous it is. 2, have smoke alarms. The smoke alarm saved me and my family's life. I have 3 kids. We could have died. Crazy. And then fire extinguisher. I had a fire extinguisher. Scariest thing ever. All right, so the market, the S&P, we're going to look at a lot of stuff, but the S&P 500 right now on trading views of 37 points. Now, that may not sound like much, but look at this candle. S&P was trading at 5,420. Look where it's at now. It rebounded over 120 points in like an hour. What the fuck? We were day trading live today. We made a lot of money on the way down, but this son of a bitch reversed. Looking good. We're going to go over that in more detail, but take a look at right now what is up the most from a percentage standpoint. This is my major watch list, all right? I look at this watch list every day. It's a combination of stocks, crypto, all that. But NVIDIA up 7% today. I'm going to show you a trade that I did on NVIDIA. I cashed out today. So anyway, NVIDIA sold off just like everything did. Last week, sick, right? Sold down. This is Friday, but you can see Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. And today, a massive day, right? So point out a couple things. Let me show you this trade that I was in really quickly because I trade the stock market, I trade the crypto market, but here it is. So this is Thinkorswim on Charles Schwab. So I sold a naked put. I don't know for those of you that trade stocks, but I do a lot of investing in stocks. I don't really like to buy stock. I like to sell naked puts for income and stock ownership at a discount if necessary. Forget, I'm still coughing, man. That smoke from the fire fucked me up. Damn. Anyway, I sold a naked put here. It went down. So I rolled it. Okay. And again, I teach this in the class. If you take a look here, this was the message right here. I sold the naked put for $1. Trying to just generate weekly income. This is a weekly naked put. Now, NVIDIA was looking ugly. So what I did was I rolled it. It's one of the strategies that you can do when you sell a naked put. Now, a naked put is an incredible strategy. I wish we could sell naked puts on crypto. Holy crap. If we could do that, shit would be so easy. God, I wish we would. But anyway, I rolled it on September the 3rd because it was tanking. I wanted to give myself more time. And then it bottomed out, reversed back up, and we got us a massive candle today. NVIDIA is at 116. So you can see I sold the naked put. I sold the naked put, the 111s for $1. I rolled it, which means I bought it back, and then I sold another one. I sold a strike lower, and then today I cashed out. So I ended up making over $100 and something per contract. This is weekly income. So to sell a naked put is a way that you can generate weekly or monthly income, or if you like stock, get stock at a discount. Why was I going to buy NVIDIA at 120 when I can own NVIDIA at 111? That's stupid, right? So powerful move today. I cashed out $100-something on NVIDIA. And NVIDIA right now, with this move, you can see we still have stacked moving averages. So we have the pink, which is the 34 exponential moving average. I'm going to talk about that a lot here today. We're going to be on for a while. Then we're going to take a look at X. We're going to laugh at some nonsense. 21 exponential moving average and the 8. So these are stacked to the downside, but NVIDIA is breaking back above the 34. So that's important, important, important. So anyway, naked puts, right? I love selling naked puts and cover calls. I used to be a financial advisor for a very long time, over 20 years, right? And that was one of our primary strategies. Selling naked puts for stock ownership, income, and then if you get put to stocks, selling cover calls. So just ways for you guys to generate passive income. Now, second from a percentage is Ethereum versus XRP. So take a look at this bad boy. So this is XRP against Ethereum on Binance. And you can see right back in this area around June and July, we bottomed out. And it has been going up ever since. So XRP is strong against Ethereum. Also, you can see you got these beautiful stacked moving averages to the upside. That's powerful. And you're in this squeeze. So it tells me that this bad boy is setting up for another move. But man, since we bottomed out, XRP is taking it to Ethereum. Looking good right now. This is an absolute beautiful, beautiful squeeze. So I like it. And now, wow. So you had the futures contract right here. Damn, it's up 42. This bitch is pumping. Over 100 and something off the bottom. Like, wow. So the S&P right now is up 49. They may not sound like much, but this shit was down like 70. Getting killed. And now we're popping up just like NVIDIA. Busting through these moving averages. They look very similar. Last week, nasty ass down move. Bam, popping up. And I love how we're breaking through those moving averages. Absolutely powerful. Powerful, powerful, powerful. So take a look at that picture. Look at that picture. Let me erase this. Very, very similar. Okay, we had a top back in, late August. We dropped down. Hit that bottom here last week and rocket shipped up. If you go back here, same thing, right? We had that top, sold off, and now we're popping back up through. So NVIDIA up a lot. The market's up freaking big. That's good. Because I like the fact, sellers pushed this down. It was looking ugly. We were in class today. Now, we were trading to the downside. That's the beautiful thing about options. Well, fuck. What an ass whooping, but it came back strong. Cardano. Cardano's up 1.05%. So let's take a look at a couple things. I really want to dive in so y'all can see who's leading who. Now, Cardano, same concept. Now, Cardano's been selling off longer. It topped out before the market did, before NVIDIA, but it bottomed out right here about, was that last week? We shot back up. So one thing about Cardano, we have not cleared all the moving averages. So we've got to get through that 3483 area. But it's very similar. Again, this is called a bear flag. Goes down. That's the flag pole. And that's the flag. NVIDIA. Flag pole. Flag. But you see how it's up here by the 34? Again, flag pole, flag. And then back to Cardano. Flag pole, flag. But it hasn't got through. So Cardano's lagging behind. Now, this is the futures contract. So this is the S&P 500, the index. This is the ES futures, right? I trade the futures contract in the morning. I day trade it. Russell 2000's up a little bit. So Russell 2000's lagging behind. You can see we had that same flagpole, but it hasn't quite hooked back up into the moving averages. We're still below the 8 exponential moving average. So the Russell 2000, let me zoom in where y'all can really see. It's lagging, right? Remember this one? It's already popped back through. NVIDIA, popped back through. Cardano, popped through the 8, sitting right on top of the 21, but the Russell 2000 hasn't got there yet. So the Russell 2000 is lagging, but it's up right now. Bitcoin. Look at Bitcoin. Same exact picture. These markets move in tandem, and that's just the way it is. Now, Bitcoin looks like Cardano. Bitcoin topped out back here around August 26th. Cardano topped out around August 25, 24. So very similar where they topped out. Now, Bitcoin has not got back through its 34. So the S&P 500 is leading Bitcoin as of late. NVIDIA is leading Bitcoin. But Bitcoin is stronger than Cardano. I'm sorry, the Russell 2000, right? Russell 2000 hasn't got back above its 8. Bitcoin has, but it hasn't cleared its 21. So this is still a bear flag. Bears are still in control. And right now it's down 0.15%. XRP against Bitcoin. So it was looking very similar to XRP and Ethereum, but Bitcoin is stronger as of late. Take a look at this chart. We did bottom out around the same time period. We are inside this squeeze, but let's zoom in. So you can see the blue has crossed the red. So that tells me the bearish momentum is starting to pick up. Plus, we broke down. So Bitcoin is stronger than XRP as of late. Now, for the year, or at least the last several months, XRP has been stronger. But take a look at this one, XRP and Ethereum. See the difference? You still got these beautiful stacked moving averages. It's actually, again, strong today. We're holding the 21. So this picture is super duper bullish. This one, it's breaking down. So XRP has been stronger than Ethereum, but weaker than Bitcoin. Now, let's just take a look at XRP itself. 53 cents. All right, let's zoom in, though. All of these pictures are the same. So XRP topped out recently August the 24th. That's right around where Cardano topped out, right around where Bitcoin tapped out. Now, XRP, there's the flagpole, there's the flag. We're sitting right underneath the 8 exponential moving average. So we have not broke it as of yet. It's like NVIDIA, the stock market. Shit, even Cardano's stronger, right? I don't think Bitcoin, let me see. Yeah, Bitcoin, again, broke above its 8. So it's in between the 8 and the 21. XRP, we haven't cleared the 8. Now, from a candlestick theory, you know, I would call that a hanging man, right? It's like, you got the fucking little man, he's hanging and shit. Dude, that's what that candlestick represents. Little face, little body right there, because it's coming at the uptrend. So that's a bearish candle pattern, but it needs confirmation. But what I care about is, you know, just looking at it from a strength standpoint, XRP has not been as strong as Bitcoin as of late, stronger than Ethereum, but we got to get above that 8 exponential. Down 0.67%. Coinbase. Coinbase is the worst of all of them. Well, I don't know. We'll take a look at Ethereum in a minute. But look at Coinbase. Coinbase had that drop. So it topped out around, you know, the end of August. Nasty move. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 down days in a row. Okay, and we are still underneath the 8 exponential move on average. So they're stacked to the downside. So bears are in control. The squeeze fired Ethereum. Well, this is Coinbase. I'm sorry. Coinbase is just looking ugly. Again, it's up today. Well, no, back up. It was up, down. Right now, it's down. Earlier, it actually fought back, and now it's down. But it's not down a lot, 0.82%. But it's the second worst performer on my list. Haven't even cleared the 8 exponential moving average. But again, for Coinbase, what can you do, right? You can buy Coinbase. So let's take a look at Coinbase. This is TD. So with Coinbase, you can buy the stock. It's $157 a share. You can sell a naked put. You can sell the 146 and get $266 and collect that income. So this is a way for you to make around $200, $250 a week in passive income. And if Coinbase drops, I mean, would you rather own Coinbase at 157 or 146? So you could sell a naked put on Coinbase, collect some income because it's been struggling, down 0.83%, 157. Ethereum is the worst performer right now on my major watch list, down 2.27%. Again, all of these look the same. This topped out back here around the 20th of August. We dropped down, hooked back up, and it's literally sitting right on top of the 8. So Ethereum just got that bear flag, right? Right on top of the 8. Basically where XRP is, sitting right on top of the 8. But it's 2,334. But I'm watching NVIDIA very close. If NVIDIA can pop and hold this and start to work its way up, then you're going to see the S&P 500 probably do the same thing, work its way up. We got to get the Russell 2000. Once the Russell 2000 breaks through these moving averages, again, forgive me, I took a lot of smoke from that fire. From that fire, I sucked in some massive smoke. It was the worst feeling ever. So I'm still kind of struggling. Our dryer caught on fire. You know, I have 3 kids. It was the scariest thing ever. Fire department came. I mean, it was very scary. Very scary. So I haven't been on a little while. I mean, this has kind of fucked everything up, man. I mean, I don't know how many of you have had a house fire, but it's very scary. We could have died. No shit. If it wasn't for the smoke alarms, we would have died. I know it. We would have died. Or we would have had to jump out our 2nd story window. And I have 3 small kids. So make sure you clean your dryer, get your smoke detectors, and have a fire extinguisher. So the Russell 2000, and it's lagging. We got to get it back up there. If that happens, then I'm going to feel more confident about Bitcoin popping up through there. I'm going to feel more confident about XRP popping up through there. And then Coinbase is just a dog. If I was going to do anything with Coinbase, I'd be selling naked puts just like I did on NVIDIA. So that's kind of what's happening, you know. But hey, you never know, right? For example, XRP and Ethereum, we could pop tomorrow. Look at the momentum. The momentum on this Radiant Fire Pro is picking up. The momentum's picking up. You could wake up tomorrow and this bad boy could be at 55, 58 cents just like that. Same with Ethereum. Again, Ethereum is a dog. I'm not going to lie. But the momentum is starting to pick up. Okay, that squeeze still fired short. But because of that momentum, there's that possibility, right? If Russell 2000 can pop, Bitcoin pops, Ethereum will shoot back up around that 2,400 range. Okay, so that's very possible tomorrow for that to happen. But we're going to need the S&P 500 to have a good day, which it looks good right now. We're going to need NVIDIA to keep its move up. right? And we need that Russell 2000. And you can look right here and call this a bullish pin bar. That's what I would call it. You can call it a hammer, but I like this pin bar. So that could happen, right? Ethereum and XRP could pop, pop, pop. All right, let's have some fun. Market closes in 10 minutes. So Elon Musk, do you wish tonight's debate, or this is yesterday, was hosted? Yeah, that would have been good. It probably would have actually asked some questions and held people accountable to the questions. I'm just saying. Where's this Reuters business? I'm going to follow that one. All right, so if you had $100,000 to invest in just one altcoin, which coin would you buy? Well, honestly, I already have enough XRP. I really like Cardano. I really do like Cardano. I picked some up down here around 29 cents. Again, from the longer term, I mean, shit, I would. So I'm going to put here, I would buy Cardano, to be honest with you. ADA. All right. All right. Inflation can fall all at once, but the cost of goods and services will never fall, and the value of the dollar will still continue. Yeah, the value of the dollar is in the tank. U.S. inflation falls 2.5% lower than expectation. Well, first of all, it's all crap because they're not even, these numbers are bullshit. They're bullshit numbers. They don't include energy. They don't include food. Like, how the fuck can you have inflation and not count the two biggest things? Gas for us and food. These numbers are bullshit. They're fucking bullshit. So inflation can fall. It's fucking bullshit. All right, 98% of people will sell their XRP after 10 to 50 bucks. Well, I'll start scaling out. I can promise you that shit. I've been owning XRP for like a decade. I'll be definitely selling that. I am here for, well, okay. I am here to see price above $100. Oh, shit. You might be here for a while. Let's do this. $100, come the fuck on. $100, you might be here for a while. I mean, I would love that shit to get to $100, but that shit ain't fucking crazy. Do you believe in $10,000 per XRP? Hell no. No way. I'm sorry, man. I gotta live in reality world. Now, Jack the Rippler got a lot of followers, but ain't no damn way XRP's getting to $10,000 a coin. SEC better not petty. This is from XRP Crypto Wolf. The SEC better not petty enough to appeal the XRP. Well, it's not an XRP lawsuit. It's the XRP is a digital asset, right? It's a Ripple lawsuit, right? And who gives a shit if they do? SEC sucks, dude. SEC sucks, man. They're a bunch of fucking chumps. How's the market doing really quickly? Let's kind of take it here. See how we're popping here towards the end, right? Market's up 48. Banging. Closing. Right now, we are closing at the high. This bad boy sold off so nasty. And it has rocket shipped over 120 points since the low. Going at its high, up 49. Popping through the moving averages. Man, that looks really good. Looks like we might close really strong. Let's see how NVIDIA. Man, NVIDIA is just pumping. NVIDIA's up 7.71 again. Popping, closing at or near the high. Broke through the 34, so we got two powerhouses. Pumping. Russell 2000, how we doing? Well, you got to get up off your ass. It's up 4. So these are the future contracts. We do have NASDAQ's actually leading the charge. We got oil up, silver's up. Again, that S&P has fought back hard. All right, go back here. Yeah. Honest question. Yes. Period. Sorry, man, but I got to vote for whoever is going to put me and my family in the best position to make money. Period, right? We got to pay bills. That's it. That's it. Now, never mind. But again, I got a couple messages here a minute ago. Thank you. I really appreciate it, guys. I really appreciate it. That fire, I'm telling you right now, that was some scary shit. Scary shit. Can you imagine? I just want you to understand. We're upstairs. Smoke alarm started going off. Came downstairs, didn't know what was happening. Looked in the laundry room. The dryer was on fire. Fire. And it was getting bigger and bigger. Bigger and bigger. We started to throw water on it. That didn't put it out. Looking back, that was stupid because there was a bunch of electrical wires. We had a fire extinguisher. You got to have that. So I blasted that, but it was still smoking, so we didn't know. Fire department got here. Lots of fire. They sent us outside. I was in my fucking underwear, right? They wouldn't even let me go in the house. I'm in my underwear because we were sleeping. And, yeah. For 3.5 hours, we weren't allowed to go back in the house. But it was some scary stuff. My kids, though, everybody's okay. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Could have been worse. Without the smoke detectors, we probably, well, I don't say probably, but we definitely could have died. There's some scary shit. Scary shit. So thank you so much. And I get messages all day, man. I mean, because this is real shit. Fuck trading. Fuck all. This is real stuff. You know, this is life. And it was scary, man. So I've been preaching a lot. So, you know, Biden wears Trump hat. Hang on. I'll go back and check it out. Tonight's debate only served to highlight the continued dysfunction of our politics. And I shared yeah, it was a joke. My cousin sold almost all of his Bitcoin at 60,000 and went all in on XRP at 53 cents. Well, guess what? Where's XRP at right this second? 53 cents. So you might be in that bad boy a while. He's talking about Kamala Harris. Yeah, I can fucking go there. Wall Street forecast XRP to, what the fuck? $8,000. That's not ever that's not happening. That's not happening. Wall Street forecast XRP to reach $8,033 by 2025. That's not happening. No fucking way. If somebody really did predict that, if some Wall Street analyst really did predict that, he's a fucking idiot. He's a fucking idiot. Let's just say Biden. Let's say Biden wears Trump hat in public. The firefighters come. Now, dude, that guy. That guy doesn't even know what fucking planet he's on, dude. Oh, that's hilarious. This dude has 4,000 people watching? Holy shit. 2,000 people? Hey, we got 11. Thank you for 11. I'm also live on YouTube. That's funny, though. Right? Don't forget to get your protein in. All right. Holy shit. Who's selling XRP again? They're always fucking selling. Right? Unfortunately, a lot of people. Market's about to close. Who's selling XRP again? Unfortunately, a lot of people. All right, let's go take a look at how this market's going to close. S&P, are we going to come in strong? Up 64. Wow. Wow. This, I'm just typing in our private group. We have several private WhatsApp groups. WebEx private group. Wow. 61. There it is. Bam. S&P 500. It has to get a couple minutes to shake out, a couple seconds. It'll flop around for a minute. The S&P looking like it's going to close over 50, which is big. NVIDIA, massive move, over 8%. It's looking like here. So just kind of, again, trading views a little bit different as far as the way it calculates the price. But NVIDIA's up the most. Cardano, again, came in strong. XRP against Ethereum. S&P up over 60. That's fucking huge. It was down a lot. Russell 2000's up a little. Bitcoin's down. XRP's down. Coinbase is down. And Ethereum's down. But they're not down much. They were down a lot more earlier. All right. Funny tweets. That's what I like to hear. Got anything you want me to crack up on? Let's just check, dude. Will they discuss crypto at the presidential debate? Not a chance. Not a chance. This dude said, I've been holding Cardano since 2018. Haven't sold any of it. Just keep buying because I believe Cardano long term. I got in 2017. 2017. And I'm still holding. I'm still holding ADA. All right, looks good. Bam, bam, bam. Y'all have a great day. Market look good. Come back to me tomorrow if you guys want to day trade the S&P 500 futures. I do it live on the YouTube channel. We day trade the S&P 500 futures. We swing trade options, naked puts, all that stuff, right? All that good stuff. You have a great day. Thank you for all the messages about the fire. We're okay. And I appreciate you. Peace.